Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Hi, I just been hit on the freeway and the car is driving away. Okay.
No. I'm asking you to delete this now. Good. You keep asking. You can take photos of the car, but not with me in it. You can ask whatever you want.
I will not delete your photo. I don't give a shit. You're on public property. I can do whatever I want.
Jesus fucking Christ, you fucking asshole. Fucking dickhead. You didn't see me?
No, I didn't see you.
What do you mean? I saw you fucking look at me. You fucking idiot. You gotta fucking make sure you know you're fucking, you just pull a fuck you fucking dickhead.
Gee whizzo.
Oh wow. That's probably someone different. Hey, is this one you had to pick me up from and bring Janelle home?
So.
Because there's a happy. Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wait, let me get his little. Oops. An idiot. Okay, what the f though?
That was a skateboard.
What the fuck are you doing?
Not the explosion or airstrikes, it's the blockade, the siege, and famine war against the Palestinians.
And we told visitors from both sides. Well, it's now the Israelis who are going to Qatar for talks with mediators. Obviously, Hamas has been involved in that. When you hear these things, and obviously this is against the backdrop.
Like a bed or
Hello.
Hi, Poochie. Good evening. This is Chanel. Poochie?
Yes.
Let me call you back.
Okay, no problem.
That was red.
Whoa!
Yeah, drug that out there, didn't you? Ran a red light.
Consultation. That's spicy.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.